My kids are going to solve it. 1 into 4 into 7 into 10 plus 1 by 4 into 7 into 10 into 13 and so on up to 1 by 31 into. Do I need to teach this? I don't need to teach this. Till 30th April, all the classes I am only going to take. And there is a beautiful thing which I am going to give it to the serious and sincere viewers. There are 4 numerical values. Tell the answer, beta. 1 into first 3 numerical values and last 3 numerical values. 1 by difference is 3. 4 numerical values will become 3. I hope the answer is clear. I hope you are all with me. 6th one. 7th, another question. Basic, intermediate, high level, original competitive exam level. This will be the approach. Start from basics. Let us take class by class. Let us see why we are not improving. We will improve. Not every kid will fumble all the time. Some kids will take 6 months to stand. Some kids will take 9 months to stand. But after some time, everybody will stand. 7th, high level question. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 21 and so on up to infinite terms equivalent to original mock exam question, CLAT or CAT or any competitive exam. I spend a lot of time to take a 2 hours class because I do not want any student to leave the class and say that I did not enjoy it. For me, enjoyment is yes, I can do it attitude. Now, see here. Let us call to the sum to infinite terms as yes. Yes is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 21 and so on. Divided by 2. If I divide by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 20 and so on. So these are nothing but 1 into 2. 6 is 2 into 3. 12 is 3 into 4. 20 is 4 into 5. And so on. Now you know the series. This is 1 by 1, last is 1 by infinite. Difference is 1, 2 terms. S by 2 is 1, S is 2. A student will get it out. Why are we dividing it by 2? That I will give an explanation. Take this question as it is. Deepa, I will discuss. Good question you asked, Deepa. Good. You are thinking good. Divided by 2. If you divide it by 2, the series will become 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and so on. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. Anil sir, how you got the idea of dividing by 2? That also I will discuss. That also I will discuss. I hope it is clear, right, sir? I will discuss it after a question, beta. I divided it by 2. I am not interested in this question. I am interested in a mock question. Question 32 plus 32 by 3 plus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 5 and so on up to infinite terms. Students will get intimidated looking at a question. Actually, it's a very easy question. If I take 32 common, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on. So these are nothing but sum to infinite term. Just now we discussed it is into 2. 32 into 2 is 64. 32 into 2 is 64. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Now, why we divided by 2? 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2. 6 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. 10 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it is nothing but first term denominator is 1. It is denominator 1 plus 2. It is 3. Summation 3, summation 4. It is 1 by summation n. Summation n is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. It is 2 by n into n plus 1. So if 2 comes this side, s by 2 is 1 by summation 1 by n into n plus 1. I hope you got the idea. Because second term is 1 plus 2, third term is 1 plus 2 plus 3, fourth term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, nth term will be 1 by n into summation n. I hope the idea is clear. Where beta 11 by 34? Maybe Tanvir, you are referring to the previous question. I hope it is clear. Hey Anil sir, what if the difference is not constant and what if it is in the numerator? I hope this idea is clear. Idea is clear. Can someone tell this answer orally, sir? 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 plus 1 by 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 and someone by 32 into 35 into 38 into 41 into 44. Tell me the answer better. You don't need to see. It will be there in the answer. 5 terms are there. Take first 4 and take last 4. 35, 38, 41, 44. 1 by difference is 3, 5 is becoming 4. This will be visible in the answer option. See the question and tick mark the answer. See the question and tick mark the answer. Score only matters. How much time you invest in the classes does not matter. How many times you have visited the constant, whether the concept has gone into your subconscious mind. I always feel that students should listen to the class multiple times so that they will take time. I have seen students traveling from one place to another place on a weekend, wait for another weekend, and we all forget things. And I believe online education is the next big thing.